Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing, and once you've done that, please leave a like. In this tutorial, we will teach you how to change your Facebook name. First, launch your Facebook app by tapping it. And then on the Facebook homepage, look at the bottom of your screen and tap Menu. Now at the top right corner of the screen, you can see the gear icon. Tap it. We are in the Settings and Privacy section. Tap Meta Accounts Center. In the Meta Accounts Center, tap on Profiles. And tap the profile that you want your name to be changed. Hit Name. Here you can see your current name. Tap the name that you wanted to change. After doing so, tap Review Change. If you are done, tap Save Changes. Reminder, once you've changed your name, you won't be able to change your name within the next 60 days. That's it. Changing your name on Facebook is a straightforward process. Remember to follow Facebook's guideline for name changes and make sure you're using a name that complies with their policies. Thank you for watching this tutorial and feel free to reach out if you have any further questions. Thank you for watching.